Moving on to the float constructor, which constructs or creates new floats. You can pass it in booleans, integers, floats, and strings. So it's just like the int constructor. So we can pass it in a boolean, and it still evaluates it as 1, but it's with a decimal point to signify that it is a float, not an integer. Passing in false will return 0. You can pass in integers, so let's just say the number 99, and this will return it as a float, so it just stores it in a little different format. Floats and integers are similar. They are just numbers, but it's just the way that they are stored internally. It's not like 99.0 is different than just the integer 99 in terms of addition or subtraction. It's just the way it is stored. All right, so you can pass in other floats. This does not change it. There's no reason to ever do this. So it'll just keep the same number. You can pass in strings. So let's say 15 like this. We'll turn it into 15.0. You can use decimals here. So 15.99. String will actually return the float to 15.99. All right, so that's how you use the float constructor.